welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Anagha. Today I'm going to show how to make pressed flowers. So this is my old dictionary, which is in Malayalam and English based dictionary, which is not in use. So let's start. I have taken some flowers and leaves, so let's make them. For this we need an old dictionary or book, then any flowers or leaves, and some cardboards like this. First I'm trying to taking a center page of this dictionary to keep some flowers, like 2 to 5 flowers. Okay, this is a center page. And I'm taking this cute flower which is in magenta, but in camera you can see it in red color. So first we need to cut this stem of this flower. I'll show you how to, like this, okay? And keep this flower inverted as you seen in the screen, like this. And also I'm going to keep an yellow flower, I don't know that name, same we done before. Before that, don't forget to cut out the stem, okay? Yes, like this. This is so cute, right? And now I'm going to keep a bougainvillea. This bougainvillea's color, I think it's a peach color. And I'm going to take in another page to keep some more flowers. So yesterday I have collected so many bougainvilleas, so there is so much. Again I'm placing a bougainvillea which color is pink, the another one in peach color. Again you can keep one more. Just press them. Then on the page in this I'm going to place some cute daisies like this, and it's so cute. Okay, this small daisies makes this pressed flower so cute. And this is a tiny flower, I don't know its name. In the last segment of this video, I will show the early pressed flowers, so don't forget. Look, this small tiny one which is in lavender shade. And now I am going to place some leaves. I will show you that it looks so pretty when it's dried, like aesthetic look, which gives aesthetic looks. This one, and we can keep one and one. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, and we can take the next page to keep other ones. Seven, 8, 9, etc., etc. You need to keep like this, okay? Don't forget to keep like this. Oh guys, I know you were thinking that what is this use of these cardboards? I know. And why we are using this cardboard means, again I'm going through first pages and I'm searching for that flowers. Oh, let me check. Yeah, this one. This flower has so many water content in that. In this magenta and this yellow flower, both has this water content. When we keep this cardboards upright like this water content will be absorbed to this cardboards. When we are keeping in this book or dictionary, this water content will be soft and the book looks so bad. That's why we are keeping this cardboards. We need 2 cardboards to keep some flowers, okay? So I placed one in this yellow flower. I think this yellow flower is already like this, like not very flexible like this. Okay, I'm just pressing this and you're taking this another cardboard and we need to keep like this, same like this. So this all water content will be absorbed to this cardboards. That will make our flower good and our book so good. I just Hey guys, are you searching for a good stationery item website or app? And here it is. Here I introduce Scoobooin app, which has so many stationery item products under 199, under 99 rupees, and the sale is going on, the Father's Day sale. Here is to how to order this item. Let's see. So first I'm going through this products under 99. And this has so many pens and everything. I will keep this Scoobooin app website link on my description box, and I have to download link also. I will be producing into description box, and I have selected a pens under 99 rupees. and I've just selected this turbo gel for 85 rupees. You can add as you like colors and everything, and I will choose red color, add to cart and check out. After that, add your address and do your payments. And Mother's Day sale is going over Scooboo app. Above 499 purchase, get 10% off. Use this code below, Scooboo10. Now it's time to open our press flowers, and let me check what's that. And this is a web page which I kept some flowers. Oh god, it's done. Cute one. And next, it's just sticky one. It's okay now. Oh, look, that so gorgeous. Yeah guys, that's all. Then we can take the next page. Let's check what's that. Oh, sweet bougainvillea. Very cute one. I love it. Look, that's so cute. The next page going over. Yes guys, again not two, it's three bougainvillea. And next page. Oh guys, this is so good. I love it. So many green leaves. Aesthetic flower look can be created by this. This one is so cute. Okay, super. And again, this tiny daisies look so beautiful. There is also some this aesthetic leaf. Okay. Guys, this is finished, and we can go to our next segment, which is our pressed flower collections. Let's see. Yeah guys, this is my old one which I have kept for around 2 months or something. I don't know. I think I have posted a video early the first time at YouTube channel. Just go through it, okay? And this is hibiscus, and next some leaf. This also leaf. That's my grandmother, just don't bother that, okay? Sorry. And that's also a flower, and cute flower. This is that flower, okay? That's also my just grandmother, just don't bother, okay? And again some bougainvillea, yellow bougainvillea. And that new flower which I love so much. I love this, okay? This aesthetic leaf. The tiny flower. And this is our collections. If you like this video, just subscribe our channel, like our video, and please do watch our old videos. And thank you guys.